Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the master code on the TEEHO or the Revolo Keypad Deadbolt step by step. So most of the TEEHO or the Revolo Keypad Deadbolts come with the default master code, which in most of the cases is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So TEEHO recommends changing this default code before programming any other lock settings. Now to start changing the master code, you need to first of all press the TEEHO button or the lock button, and then you need to enter this particular master code. After that, you need to simply press the TEEHO button again, and this is going to open the programming mode on many of the T001 or T002 style locks. Then what you need to do is you need to simply press 1, then enter your new master code. Afterwards, you need to again press the TEEHO button, then re-enter the new code and press the TEEHO button again. Now, if successful, the keypad should flash green and beep to confirm the new code has been saved correctly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.